to use Apple gift card on Clash Royale. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to use Apple gift card on Clash Royale. So first of all, just open your Apple gift card official website to buy Apple gift card for yourself, and after that just scroll down and select the type of a card that you want to receive. For example, physical card or a e-form card or e-card. So just select accordingly and then choose the design of the card that you would want to get, and after that just select the amount that you want in your Apple gift card to be, for example $25, and after that just enter the details. For example, you want to send this gift card to yourself, so in recipient name just write your name, and in the recipient email address just simply enter your personal email address on which you want to receive the Apple gift card code in order to use it further. And after that, since you are the sender only, so you can enter your name and your email address. You can enter different email address if you want to, and once you fill in all these details, your gift card will be sent to your email address within 1 hour. Then all you have to do is just go to your email address and copy your Apple gift card code, and once you get the Apple gift card code, just open your Apple store, and after that on the search bar just search for Clash Royale and install the application in your smartphone. And once you are in the Clash Royale app, then you will be able to use your Apple gift card to make any in-app purchase in your Clash Royale game. So this is how simple it is to use your Apple gift card on your Clash Royale game. So that's how you do it. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.